Hello friends, we have seen software defined networking architecture which separates the control plane and data plane and centralizes the entire network controller. We also seen the key elements of SDN, centralized network controller, programmable open API, which is acting as a northbound interface between control layer and SDN application layer. Standard communication interface OpenFlow, which is also acts as a southbound interface between control layer and infrastructure layer. Next is NFV, that is Network Function Virtualization. NFV. NFV is a technology which leverages means balances the virtualization to consolidate the heterogeneous network devices in the industry as per the industry standard like high volume servers, switches and storage. So NFV is a technology which balances this virtualization in the heterogeneous networks or heterogeneous network devices. NFV is a complementary. It comes with an SDN. As NFV can provide the infrastructure to SDN on which SDN can run. So NFV is a complementary to SDN, which provides NFV provides infrastructure on which SDN can run. NFV have again an NFV infrastructure, virtualization layer, virtual network functions, and NFV management and orchestration. The key elements of NFV, as we have seen, virtualized network function. Virtualized network function. VNF is a software implementation of network function which is capable of running over the NFV infrastructure. So VFN is a software implementation of network function which is capable of running over the entire NFV infrastructure. NFV infrastructure. NFV includes compute, network, storage, resources that are virtualized. So whatever storage, network, computation is virtualized, all these is included as NFV infrastructure. And over this, the VNF virtualized network function is a software implementation of network function which is capable of running over this NFV infrastructure. And this NFV infrastructure includes compute, network and storage resources, all type of resources which are required for computation, all type of resources which are required for networking, all type of resources which are required for storage and which are virtualized. All these are included in NFV infrastructure, network function virtualization infrastructure. Next component is NFV management and orchestration. NFV management and orchestration focuses on all virtualization specific management tasks. So NFV management and orchestration focuses on virtualization specific management tasks, which manages all these virtualization specific tasks and covers the orchestration and life cycle management of physical and or software resources which are supporting the infrastructure virtualization. Also, the life cycle management of VNFs. Orchestration. Orchestration is the process by which all the resources or these are the processes which uses the raw material or having the number of available resources with them and which are ready to implement those. So this is the process of orchestration. It means NFV management will have such processes which are having some raw material with them, raw resources with them, and which are ready to implement those. And managing this is called as a orchestration. This is the process. And NFV have a special component, NF management and orchestration, which focuses NFV management and orchestration focuses on all virtualization specific tasks, which covers the orchestration and life cycle management of physical or software resources that support the infrastructure virtualization and life cycle management of VNF, virtualized network functions. And these virtualized network functions have capability to run over the infrastructure, NFV infrastructure. And NFVI includes the all type of resources, computation, for networking, for storage, which are virtualized.